So now that we're using our new optimized tiles, let's take a look at what happens in the tile picker. If we select the tile map and give focus to our tile picker, then zoom in to 5, you'll see as we click around, our selection tool is off. Also, it's starting to throw errors that we're getting an array out of index. This is because our tile map picker doesn't know about the new padding we added to the texture. Let's go ahead and clear this and open up our scripts tile map class. Let's copy the line where we set up our tile size as a vector 2 and paste it below. Here, we're going to call this tile padding. Next, we need a way to set the value of the tile padding. So let's go to our tile map editor, and where we display the tile size, let's create a new line, and we're going to set the map.tilePadding equal to the editor GUI layout.vector2 field. We'll set a label of tile padding, and then for the default value, we'll set it back to the map tile padding vector. Once we've done this, let's save it and go into our tile picker window. Next, we're going to need to scroll down to where we define the tile size. Here, we're going to need to now offset this tile size by the new padding, in essence, making the tile appear to be bigger than it is inside of the picker. We'll start by setting the tiles x plus equal to the selection tile size padding dot x, and now we need to multiply it by the new scale. Let's copy this line and paste it below. Here we'll change x for y. Now let's save our code and go back into Unity. Now before our tile picker will work correctly, we need to go into our tile map and now set the padding to 2 by 2. Now, if we click inside of our tile picker, you'll see that we select the correct tile. Let's go ahead and clear the console for any errors you may have had. Deselect the tile map and reselect it so that we now get the brush. Now you'll see as we click through the tile picker that the correct tile shows up wherever the brush ended up being as you moved out of the window. This is because our tile picker is simply telling the tile brush the ID of the sprite to use, even though the tile picker thinks that the tiles are now 18 by 18. And now our tile picker correctly works with our optimized artwork, which allows you now to make sure that your game will look pixel perfect at any resolution without distortion.